Aw, animals.
China makes a clone of its best police dog. China's top police doggo, a Kunming wolf dog called Hua Huang Ma, is so good at sniffing out drugs and perps that in 2016 the Chinese Ministry of Public Security classified her as a first-class meritorious dog. They decided they needed more dogs exactly like her, so they cloned her. According to Chinese state media Global Times, researchers from the Sinogene biotechnology company and the Yunnan Agricultural University have cloned the wonder dog in an attempt to test whether or not it would be viable to mass-produce police dogs. The cloned doggy, called Kunshun, was a success. Chinese authorities claim her DNA is 99.9% similar to Hua Huangma's. Kunshun is now 3 months old and will begin training in crowd control, drug detection, and evidence retrieval. She'll graduate at 10 months old. If successful, Kunshun would have trained to become a police dog in record time. According to the Global Times, it usually takes 5 years for a pooch to become a police dog and costs roughly $60,000. They did not state the cost of cloning. China is not the first to mass-produce professional dog investigators. That trophy goes to South Korea. According to ABC News, in 2009, South Korea deployed drug-sniffing dogs that had been cloned from a Labrador retriever proficient in drug sniffing.